Hello friends, welcome to your own channel, Noiseless Investment. Here we try to decode a company based on the fundamentals and get to know if the company is worth our investment or not. Please note, I am not a SEBI registered advisor and these are my personal views based on the fundamentals of the stock. Please do your due diligence and consult your financial advisor before investing in any of the stock. So subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get the useful information on a regular basis. So today we are going to do a fundamental analysis of Root Mobile and get to know if the company is worth our investment or not. So this is the website of Root Mobile. You can visit the website and get to know more about this company. Now let's move on to do the fundamental analysis. So here we look into the current market price of the stock is 1593 and it was up by 0.16%. The current market cap of this company is 9,948 crores and the stock PE is 30.4. So, and the industry PE is 36.4. So it is cheaper than the industry PE. Now, if we look into the ROCE, so ROCE is well above 20% mark for the last 5 years. And if we look into the ROE, so the ROE is well above 15% mark, which is a good thing about this company. Now, if we look into the face value is 10. The debt on this company is very minute, that is 0.08% is the debt. And if we look into the interest coverage ratio, it is 19.7, which is good. The current ratio is 2.28, which means that the company is cash rich. Now, if we look into the promoters holding is well above 50% mark, which is 58.3, which is good. If we look into the FII's holding, it is 20.3%. The DII's holding is 8.15%. The changes in FII's holding is the changes in promoters holding is 0.12% and they have reduced their stake by 0.12%. The FIIs, they have reduced their stake by 0.81% and the DIIs, they have increased their stake by 0.94%. There are no pledged percentage and none of the shares are pledged. If we look into the sales growth is 78.3, which is excellent. If we look into the profit growth, it is 1996.8, which is excellent. Now, if we look into the profit and the sales growth CAGR, they are well above the they are in the positive territory and they are well above 30%, which is very good about this company. Now, if we look into the EPS, then each share of Root Mobile, it is creating 52.4 rupees for you in a year. Now, if we look into the operating profit margin, it is 12.4%, which is good. If we look into the ROIC, then it is 17.2%. If we look into the Altman Z score, it is 8.54 and the Piotrowski score is 8, which is a good thing. It is the company is cash rich and they are having good financials. If we look into return over 1 month, it is 6.34%, return over 1 week is 2.51% and return over 1 day is 0.16%, which means that the stock is in uptrend. Now let's move on to look into the beta for Root Mobile. Then the beta is 0.81. It moves very much in alignment with the market movement and it falls in alignment with the market. Now, if we look into the dividend yield for the stock, the dividend is 3.82, which is not that good. If we look into the dividend yield, it is 0.56%. It should be greater than at least 1%. But since this is a growth stock, so I think the dividend yield is bound to be less. Now, if we look into the stock score, then the stock scores 9 out of 10. So which makes this a very desirable stock. So earning is 10, fundamentals is 7, relative valuation is 5, risk is 8 and price momentum is 7. Now if we look into the chart of Vinati now if we look into the chart of Root Mobile, then we find that this is moving. There was a gap over here which was created earlier, and then the stock moved down, and then it had filled the gap over here, which was created in 6th May 2022, and it covered the gap over here, that is 20th June 2023. So it took 1 year to cover the gap. So now it is trying to cross this level of 1600 level around. So once this will cross with a significant volume, then this stock has the potential to go till around 2300 as well, 23 as well. But we see that the volume is less over here, there is no significant volume, and the price is falling. That means the weak hand, they are actually selling off their stock. The RSI is around, it is more than 60%, it is more than 60, so which means that the stock is still bullish, but the MACD line is well below the red line, and the weak hand, they are selling. So just wait for some time, and probably if the stock will fall till this level of 1450, or the next supporting line is at this level, I mean from 1300 till 1200. So this is the range where where you can start the buying. However, please consult your financial advisor before investing in the stock. There is a demand zone over here as well. So 1499 can be a great demand zone for this stock. I don't have a buy or sell recommendation for this stock. Kindly consult your financial advisor before investing in this stock. Now let's move on to check the fair values for Route Mobile. So the fair value of Route Mobile is coming out to be 1935.44. So there is a potential upside of 21.5%, and the spread can be between 884 and 2242. So these are the pros and cons of this company. You can go through this and as well as the website to get more information about this company. Thank you for listening. Have a great day, and in case you like this videos, then please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get the useful information on a regular basis. Please like this video if you really like this one. Thank you.